Ricky maneja, no, esto se lo acaba en un pinche día, así como maneja.
Oh, damn. Hey, Ricky.
No, Ricky, maneja, dile a cámara.
Is that, can I take a picture?
Aquí es foto.
Not bad, that too. Which one?
Esta era.
Oh, this one. Hey, this one right here. Damn, dos amples. Those we guys went downtown Glendale. Now just two whores over there. Hey, pa, un discount card. What?
That's el Camaro.
Oh my God, that's the one I want.
That has a retractable latch.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it, badass.
I
I'm going to pick a room and walk around the road. Bring my darling.
Mira que la María, bueno. Allá que está lo último de la Jesus. Dude, I'm cut. Look at the yellow one over there at the end.
What?
The one over there. That's the little tires.
Which one?
The one's over there parked.
Oh, el que está tumbado.
Yeah. Oh, Charlie.
Esta era.
Oh, damn.
Look at that truck. That's a nice.
This shit's a.
Transformers car.
Oh, good. Hey,
Oh,
hey,
yeah, the ones that make money are the ones that are building the thing.
Hey, Bumblebee.
The other ones are the dumbasses that believe it. Es el güeyito que le regalas uno de esos para...
Yeah. Transformer to Bumblebee.
This one's badass.
This one? Oh, damn, it has those. It has a little thingy, little strap-on. That's, oh, damn. Hey, pa. Pa. Hey, well, come on. Hey, which one do you guys like?
I would get this.
Alright, give me 5 minutes. Hey, let's go look at that one.
Esa la troca esa.
Oh, the black
gray truck?
Yeah, gray, blackish.
That
Yeah.
one's nice too.
Yeah.
That gray and blue, that Challenger Super Sport.
Dios mío, this thing is tight.
Es un chopper.
Damn, this shit's small.
El chop, este venía así. Y lo que hacen, le cortan todo el techo.
Hey, look what they put as the. Look at the. Look at.
Go one over there.
Ah. Hey, look at this one. Got the Fast and the Furious cars. Look right there, number 11. Oh damn, motorcycle. So yeah, we're in downtown. We're downtown Glendale. Mesa, Arizona.
Creo que le voy más al Cobra.
Oh.
Silver Cobra.
Oh yeah. It's the same thing as the Mustang, but man, that shit's nice. So I got the Cobra.
There's one side out.
Oh yeah, I like the seats. And a touchscreen.
Where'd you get them valve covers, man? They don't last. Can't hear you.
Oh, there's look at that gold one over there. Yeah, vamos a ver el este de allá, el de oro. Oh, Corvette. It's like an old school bus, a little hippie. Este. Mira, 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 yeah. Oh, Corvette. One Corvette after another. Ah, this is tight. Old school. Solo que no eran esas que usaba mi tata. So we're downtown Glendale, Arizona. So yeah, it's a car show. Dios mío. God damn.
There's one side out.
This one. Dios mío.
Y todo es este.
Custom
They probably did it custom porque todo esto es nuevo.
Yeah.
Nomás agarraban el chasis como viejo, pero todo lo hicieron rebuild. Now era el dashboard todo digital. This is a badass car.
Yeah.
De todo.